Hi, this is Professor Charlie Evans. It's a Wednesday morning. I was looking through the History 111 course, and there's quite a few lectures that I still haven't updated, and so I looked through the list and I thought, well, maybe I should say a couple words about South Asia for our unit on South Asia. And actually, when I looked a little bit more closely, I saw that I've already written up some pretty darn good notes about South Asia, an overview of the time period, an overview of some of the key figures and what's going on. And the textbook is actually pretty good on South Asia too. And then in addition, you're reading the Ramayana, and so you're really getting a lot of material about South Asia in the World Civ course. Now, South Asia is an important part of World Civ. If you're going to look at the overview of World Civ, usually we can kind of subdivide by geography, and so then we'd have China or East Asia, South Asia, Mesoamerica, Near East, Western Europe, African Civ, and so I mean it's convenient to think of World Civ in geographical terms, and in that respect, South Asia is a geographic entity. The present day countries of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. And when you're studying the classical period of South Asian history, there's just a couple things I want you to remember. First of all, as with anything that might be a little different, the names are a little, might be confusing. It's going to take a little getting adjusted to the Mauryas, Ashoka, Chandragupta, and so forth and so forth and so forth. But do the best you can with that. Don't let it interfere with the key kind of concepts and characteristics you're going to come away with. If you think of in political terms, what went on in South Asia is not much different that went on in the other civilizations of the world. A king was able to centralize his control and power and gradually spread the extent of his empire over time. An empire collapsed. There was a period of disorder, and then a new empire was created. If we're looking at Chinese history, you're talking about succession of dynasties. If you're looking at Western Europe, looking at different successions of kingships, it's the same thing in India, a succession of empires that rose and fell over the succeeding century and millennia in South Asia. Now, the real key point about South Asian Civ is that it was the birthplace of two distinct and important world religions. It was the birthplace of Buddhism, and of course the founder, Buddha, and it was the birthplace of Hinduism. These are both very, very unique religions, and so spend some time when you're reading in a textbook about them. And you know what? I have no problems with you going to Wikipedia and reading the Wikipedia entries on both Buddhism and Hinduism. The entries are really well done. They're complex religions, and it's important to see how the evolution of those religions fit in with both the political and the socioeconomic events that were going on in the evolution and development of South Asian Civ. So those are really the two takeaways that I want you to remember. The politics and the rise and fall of empires over thousands and thousands of years is not much different that went on from what went on in similar geographical places like East Asia or Mediterranean and Western Europe, and the uniqueness of the religious experience of South Asia in the classical period of time. Okay, that's what I came up with, and I hope that's good. I hope that helps with your reading and study of South Asia this week. Okay, thanks.